Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area on Raya Kuta Street and Imam Bonjol Street. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore East Kuta area on Raya Kuta Street and Imam Bonjol on the way up to Denpasar. Actually, in this area there is not so many tourists from other country. I mean from international tourism. Mostly people who stay around here is local people, like domestic people. And this area also famous because there is the big shopping mall like our shop and local restaurant. So that's why in this area is very busy before the pandemic corona for local tourism. You see on the right side, left side, there is local shop. Okay guys, now we are in Raya Kuta Street. You see on the street, it looks very quiet, isn't it? I took this video around 11 AM. So usually in this area is busy. But today, yeah, there are some people but not so much. And if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear and blue sky. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell. If I turn left, there is go to Kuta Beach. It's around 800 meters only. But I keep driving up because I will explore also Imam Bonjol Street. You see on the right side? Actually, there is traditional market. You see left side, there is a lot of motorbike parking. Yeah, it's mean like a lot of activity around here. Okay guys, now we continue driving and turn right. In this area, still in Raya Kuta Street. Oh, it is look busier here. In this area, there is more local business than tourism business. So that's why, even the pandemic corona, this area still look busy. You see big building, right side, there is Kuta Money Changer. And left side, there is the big shop for local people. Also we have Nav Karaoke here. It's very nice, isn't it? You see this area look busy. And right side there is a big mall actually. Okay, in the right side there is petrol station. You keep driving up. And now we are still in Raya Kuta Street. Left side, big hotel, Park Regis. Have you ever been this area before? Yeah, I think you have ever been this area because it's like very famous main street in between Kuta and Denpasar. So that's why in this area is always busy. You see big building left side? Yeah, there is Harris Hotel. And as I told you, in this area there is some hotel, but mostly only local people stay around here. Because in this area, the hotel is very cheap. So that's why lots local people stay around here. You see on the road, it's look a bit busy, isn't it? A lot more the bike and car drive around in this area. And also in this area, actually there is some shop in wholesale price. So that's why there is a lot of tourists come to this area. They buy a lot of stuff and they send to their country to export, and then they sell again in their country. It's like trading business. You You see on this area, it's look green, isn't it? And then the left side there is central parking. You see this car? They go to the central parking because in the left side there is big parking area for the bus and cars. Okay, right side there is hotels. Also on left side, we call Grand Zuri hotels. At the right side. So you see in this area, it's look busy, isn't it? There's a lot of activity, lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area. Oh, okay, there is a traffic light at the front. It's not easy to drive in here because we have no rule to drive in. Actually, we have the rule, but so many people don't care about the rule. They driving as they want. You see right side and left side? There is a lot of shops open. It's of local people. And look busy around here. Actually, it's not so busy as before the pandemic corona. But when I see there is a lot of car and motorbike, I already happy. So before the pandemic corona, in this area for sure, always traffic jam. But today it's more easy driving. Only traffic when there is a traffic light. Okay, this is another stop for traffic light. Okay guys, did you ever try driving motorbike in Bali? Yeah, if you are ever driving motorbike in Bali, actually that is so fun. So crazy but so fun. Okay guys, now we reach Imam Bonjol Street. In this area before the pandemic corona is always busy because in this area is the main street from people who want to go to Denpasar to Kuta or from Kuta to Denpasar. And also in this area is very famous because we have very big shopping mall we call Trans Mall Bali. It's new mall in Bali. You see left side? That is Trans Mall Bali. Yeah, it's the big one. You see the sky is very blue, isn't it? It's very beautiful. I hope you are missing Bali very much. And you will coming back to Bali very soonly after this pandemic corona. And also in this area, there is a lot of shop for local shop. Like electronic, fashion, and furniture. And else. You see the street? It's very beautiful, isn't it? Very clean, very nice, but very quiet. And on Imam Bonjol Street, there is not so many hotels. Just few of hotels around here. But only local shop and local people who live in this area. Before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people stay around here who people working in Kuta area and Denpasar. Because in this area is more cheaper to live. So that's why in this area there is a lot of room for rent. But during the pandemic corona, lots of people they back to their village. So that's why in this area getting quiet. Because as you know, a lot of the hotel they close. So that's why who people working there, they have to back to their village. Also who people working at the international airport. Lots of people who working there, they have to back to their village. So that's why in this area getting very quiet. It's very beautiful, isn't it? The tree very green. I love to see that actually. And you see on the road, it looks so busy around here. It's not so busy, but it's busy. Much better than Kuta area. Okay guys, so this is the situation in Raya Kuta Street and Imam Bonjol Street. And if you don't mind, and if you want to support this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also you can share this video. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.